Okay, so I know a few of you guys were absent yesterday. Please raise your hand if you were so I can tell you what element you're doing. Okay, Sasha, it seems like you're the only one raising your hand. Your element is Mercury.
What is Mercury?
Well, Sasha, let me pass back the test that we were working on yesterday, and then you can come back to my desk and we'll talk about it.
Okay.
Okay, so I remember you asking what Mercury actually is. Mercury is an element on the periodic table located right here.
I'm still kind of confused about what Mercury actually is.
Well, Mercury is an element. Got that?
Yeah.
I actually have a model right here.
Okay.
And notice how it has 6 outer shells? Well, in those outer shells, there are 80 protons, 80 electrons, and 121 neutrons.
Does it matter where you put the electrons?
Oh, it does matter. There are 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second shell, 18 in the third shell, 32 in the fourth, 18 in the fifth, and 2 in the sixth.
That adds up to 80 electrons.
Yep.
What's the atomic mass?
Okay, the atomic mass is 200.5. Any more questions?
Yes. What is the atomic number? How many isotopes are in Mercury? What group is it in? What family does it belong with? What other elements are with Mercury?
Okay, well, that's a lot of questions, but I'll try to answer all of them. So the atomic number is 80. There are 7 isotopes. It is in the transition family. The group number is 6. The other elements that are in the same family are lead, tin, gold, and zinc. Well, there is more, but...
Yeah. What about nickel?
Yeah, you got it.
I only have a couple more questions.
Okay.
Is it a metal, semi-metal, or non-metal?
A metal.
Okay. That's pretty cool. I have a couple more questions, but I'll just give you one more question.
Okay.
What are 5 interesting facts about Mercury?
I thought you never asked. Lucky for you to say, I have 100 facts about Mercury. So since I have answered all of your questions, why don't you take a look and find what you think is the most top 5 interesting facts. Did you find?
Yes, I did in fact find 5 interesting facts. First off, is Mercury is the only liquid at room temperature. Second fact is Mercury has been around during a long time. It was originally found in caves in like Spain. Number 3, Mercury is so rare that it's only found in the Earth's crust. Fact number 4, Mercury was used in thermometers and dental fillings. But why not dental fillings anymore?
It's not used in thermometers either because of health concerns. Mercury is very dangerous, so they just took it out of it just in case.
Whoa. Fact number 5, Mercury is a silvery white metal.
Okay, so I pulled up a picture of Mercury, and it is a silvery white metal, and it's so pretty.
Does Mercury bond with other elements?
Yes, it does. It forms with oxygen, and together they form mercury oxide, but only at high temperatures.
How does that happen?
Yes, it does. It forms with oxygen, and together they form mercury oxide, but only at high temperatures.
How does that happen? What's the process?
Well, mercury has 2 valence electrons and oxygen has 6. So what we do is add the 2 valence electrons. And here's an example.
Okay, I have one last question.
Okay.
What does mercury have to do with the human body?
It kills helpful bacteria in your digestive system, needed to combat bad bacteria in your immune system. Okay, so you need to pack up because the bell rings in 1 minute.
Okay.
I hope you learned a lot about Mercury.
Yes, I did. Thank you so much. It was very helpful.